Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. here. Today we are going to be talking about more recalls. I follow automotive news because that's what Automotive Inc. is. We're everything automotive. And so today we're going to talk about a very, very popular manufacturer and a couple of their most popular vehicles when it comes to that. Before we get started, if you look down there in the corner, smash the subscribe button for me. And at the end of the video, thumbs up and the notification bell so when I'm posting new content. If you guys have any questions, you can always comment in this video. And again, subscribing is 100% free, so it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help us little guys out. So Hyundai has now issued a recall of over 42,000 vehicles due to a wiring issue that can cause the vehicle to roll. Kind of scary. Now, before you get too concerned about it, if you own a 25 Hyundai Santa Cruz or Tucson, those are the two vehicles that are in question. And basically, this allows the vehicle's transmission to be shifted out of park without actually applying the brake. Now, this is an NHTSA forced recall. And right now they're saying that out of that big number of cars that's going to be recalled, probably 1% are going to actually have this issue. And as of now, nothing bad has happened. But the reports obviously come to NHTSA based on consumer complaints. And there was a few complaints about the vehicles just rolling away. So kind of freaky, especially if you park on a hill, especially if you have little ones. Obviously, general public safety. So before we get started, let's talk about the nitty gritty. So again, they're basically saying that the Hyundai Santa Cruz and Tucson, the 2025 model, so brand new, can actually be shifted out of park without applying the brake pedal, increasing the risk of crash or injury. And so that is going to include about 35,500 Tucsons and about 6,900 Santa Cruzes. Now, if you guys don't know, on the 2025, they did kind of change out their shifter. So it used to be in the earlier models, they had like a little push button down there on the console, and they went away from that and went to kind of like this little Mercedes little flipper that's on the steering wheel. So obviously they had to change all the wiring and stuff to get that from there to there, and that might actually be becoming problematic with it. So NHTSA, again, guys, I'm going to link them down below. You can head over their website. It is safe. You'll need your VIN. Go there, check my recalls, type in your VIN, and you'll be completely safe. You're not providing any personal information. You'll know if the vehicle itself is affected by it. Again, basically what they'll do is the fix for it is the dealer's going to replace and inspect the ICCU and its fuses as necessary and include a software update to the ICCU. So it does stink that you have a new vehicle and it potentially has this issue, but then again, anything they change like that that's going to be somewhat major, you can anticipate there might be a learning curve to it. But Kia and Hyundai have usually been pretty good about getting right on their recalls. They have a way to fix it. And sometimes it's not that extravagant of a way to fix things, but they're going to get in there and fix that. But we have a 23 Hyundai Tucson, and it has a different kind of shifter in it. We haven't any issues with that per se at all. So, at the end of the day, that is a bummer for the new 25 Hyundai owners. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys being here, and we will catch you on the next one.